Today we have the Lumary smart light switch. We're gonna try it out. It's gonna make it easy to turn on my colored lights outside. This is what's inside. In the box you get your switch, you get a switch cover, and some instruction manual, twist ties, wire labels, and a quick guide on how to pair it. I'm gonna show you how this is done. There's also a warning on here that says don't use it with anything besides what it's supposed to be used for. Taking a closer look at the back of the light switch, you can see that we have the line in. This is going to go to the light. Then you have a neutral and a ground. So you're also going to connect. The light one is going to go to the black wire going to your light. And this is what the new switch looks like.